Hi friend, welcome today to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you here. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I'm so excited. We are doing an unboxing today. Sit put, let us unbox this beautiful item together. Of course, I know from the title, you already know that it is a blender we are unboxing. What blender is it? Come on, let us find out. First and foremost, this is not a sponsored video. Yes, I bought this blender. This blender is the Buchimix blender. Box open, the first thing that catches my eye is this flask or this smoothie cup. This is really beautiful. When I realized that my current blender is due for a change, I was torn between Vitamix or KitchenAid. Those are the two blenders I was, considering. Do I get this? Do I get that? So in the process, I went online, checked blenders that were available online, read up reviews, and lo and behold, this blender kept popping up, right? So I said, okay, I lose nothing. Let me research a little bit more. And after all said and done, I decided to, let me give it a try. Through the website of Buchimix, I ordered this blender and it was delivered to my house. Let's see. So there is a manual, as should be. There are two packings inside. This is the first part. And this is the, wow, this is pretty heavy. I got the silver color of this blender. This is pretty sturdy and heavy. Even though it is gray, it feels rough. Can hear the, so I don't know whether this is steel or it is painted plastic. I do not know, but it feels a bit rough. The texture is not like pure stainless steel, but it feels quite sturdy. So yeah, the start button, start and stop button, low, the low button, the high button, the smoothie button, the ice crusher, and the pulse. So, and this is the control button. So I particularly like the color of the blade. The color of the blade look like, is it bronze or gold? It doesn't feel sharp to my touch. It's a bit blunt. And this is for juicing or smoothies or when you're blending a little food portion. Then this is the main blender. Guys, this feels really like something that is well put together. It feels pretty heavy. And this piece serves to pushing the food you're blending closer to the blade, I think for better pulverization. Then this is the lid or the cover. Okay, this feels heavy. So in all, I got this blender for $189. It's said to be on promo, but I consider it a bit pricey. Well, for most blenders that are here in the American market or in the North American market, most of them are priced this way, apart from, the bigger brands like Vitamix, KitchenAid, or Blendtec. But on the average, this is slightly, this cup is slightly smaller compared to my last blender, but it feels really sturdy. So I set this aside, and so this is a smoothie cup. It's quite handy when you're busy and just want to grab and go. So this feels really good. Just do your smoothies, put it in the fridge, grab, and you're on your way out. So in all, I look forward to really getting the the good side of this blender based on the reviews I saw online. And yeah, let's see how it goes. When I also do the first use, if you're interested to know how the blender, how it functioned and all that, you could let me know in the comment section if you want to really see the use. But there are a lot of videos online, you know, about the use of this blender, but everybody has their unique and different experience. So I hope I get a good experience from this blender, from using it. I think it's a good product. The second story will be when I use it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't joined the family, kindly subscribe, like, share, and watch my other videos. Okay, we have a lot of interesting videos already in the playlist. I appreciate you for being here. Till my next video, God bless you. Bye.